कांग्रेस लीडर पी चिदंबरम का कहना है कि महंगाई की मार से अवाम परेशान है। एक तरफ कोरोना वबा ने उनके हाथों से कामकाज छीन लिए हैं, जमा पूंजी खत्म हो चुकी है। दूसरी जानब महंगाई है कि रुकने का नाम ही नहीं ले रही है।
And the RBI have set an inflation target of 4 plus or minus 2% and is now, according to the NSO's press release yesterday, 6.26%. Will the government please tell the people what they should eat, how they should light their homes, and how they should go to work? Inflation, even in a normal time, would be intolerable. The present is not a normal time. A pandemic is raging across the country. The pandemic has resulted in jobs being axed, unemployment rising to 8.1%, and incomes and wages being cut for millions of working people. In such a situation of widespread distress, inflation has broken the back of the people, and we hold the central government under Shri Narendra Modi directly responsible for the high inflation.